friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious Chinese greens, BOKCHOY. Today we're going to make a stir-fried BOKCHOY. It's a very healthy recipe. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So let's get started. Let's see the ingredients for this delicious recipe. Today I've taken one bunch of BOKCHOY. This is a Chinese greens which has a lot of medicinal value. Now I have taken about 2 large onions which is sliced. We also need about 10 garlic cloves which is crushed. 2 green chilies. You can alter the chilies according to your taste. Now let's take a pan. When the pan is nice and hot, let's add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now into the hot oil, let's add the crushed garlic. Now saute the garlic for about 2 minutes till all the aroma is well released in the oil. Now you can see that the garlic has changed color at this stage. Let's chop the BOKCHOY. We need to chop the white portion separately and the green portion separately. Now let's add the green chilies and also add the sliced onions. And stir fry it for another 2 minutes. The white portion of the BOKCHOY usually takes a little time to cook when compared to the green portion. So after stir frying the onions, let's add the white portion of the BOKCHOY first. You can see that the white portion and the green portion has been chopped separately. Now at this stage, let's add the white portion or the stalk of the BOKCHOY first. And stir fry it. Now at this stage, let's start adding the sauces. Today I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. The oyster sauce gives a nice flavor to this dish. Now stir fry the white portion for about 3 minutes till it becomes nice and soft and crunchy. At this stage, let's add sufficient salt and also 1 teaspoon of sugar. Friends, remember not to overcook the greens. It should have a nice crunchy texture. Now at this stage, let's add the green portion of the greens. The green portion usually cooks very fast. So let's stir fry it for another 2 minutes. Now you can see that our greens are nice and soft and crunchy. All the water has come out of the greens. So let's close the pan with a lid for another 2 minutes. And now let's prepare the corn flour slurry for our greens. Today I've taken about 2 teaspoons of corn flour and mix it with some water. Now let's add the corn flour slurry into the greens. This helps to make the sauce thick and nice. Now our greens is well cooked. At this stage, let's add the corn flour slurry into the greens. This makes the sauce nice and thick. Now when the sauce reaches the right consistency, the BOKCHOY is absolutely ready to be served. The BOKCHOY has a lot of medicinal values. It's very good for cancer patients and also for people suffering from heart diseases. So do try this delicious recipe, friends. Hope you like this video. You can serve it with a nice fried rice or even noodles or even a jasmine rice. So friends, hope you like this video. See you all soon with another interesting recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below. Do subscribe to watch all my upcoming videos. All our videos are available in English and Tamil. You can choose whichever one is comfortable for you. So see you all soon with another interesting recipe.